So we're in the tunnel. You can see the outside of the tunnel there. But yeah, it's just covered in graffiti. Welcome to my home. That's a Tracy Keller original we just saw there. Okay, lights on. We're not talking toilets. We're talking, oh, that one there is Japanese toilet. I got that in, the idea in Korea for that. But here we are. Here's the trapdoor. We're going to go for a bit of a journey today. I've got the light on because there's no natural light in here. So we're going to see if we can go tunnelling from home. I've known this secret for 30 years, and since I've been vanlifing, I haven't revealed it. I haven't revealed it 30 years ago. But today, you're going to see where this leads to. And it's got a ladder. I've had a bit of a Bo Peep before, but I haven't travelled as far as I will today. So let's go exploring out of my home. This is like trans spotting, isn't it? The secret, you'll be blown away when you see it. Okay, I'll try and do this just by holding the camera. That's right, this moves. This comes up in the air. This comes up. It's very old. It's a very, very old trapdoor. Very old. See, there's a bit of the metal from it. There. So, there's a trapdoor. And here, I will reveal where we're going to journey from. Okay. Not many people would have this in their home, I tell you. Oh, it's bloody heavy. It's bloody heavy. Okay. There's a ladder leading down, as you'll see. I don't know if you can see the ladder, but I've got a ladder there. If I put that on. Okay, for all the doubters, there's the ladder. There's the ladder going down from my home, okay? I've had this secret compartment here for 30 years. This is the reveal. All right, let's go on the journey. This journey was somewhat haunted. I ended up in places that were isolated and frequented by people who couldn't help themselves but paint satanic symbols everywhere. It was very unnerving. It was eerie because there was no one there. But obviously there'd been a lot of people there. So what was going on in this tunnel? There was heaps of spray cans everywhere. There was no people anywhere. So where were they? I felt like I was being watched. There was no one around, but I felt there was people around. It was a little bit spooky. It was a little bit haunted. It was as if people were watching you. I could do whatever I wanted, and it felt like there was no one around, but they were around. I could feel it. Eerie, very eerie. So years ago, the train would have come through here. Pretty spooky, isn't it? Hey? Pretty spooky, all right. What we might do is fly the drone through from the other side into here. If it'll work, because it's dark. It's very dark. So we're in the tunnel. From the unit to the tunnel. Here we are. No one knows about this but you guys now. So you know about the tunnel, alright? You've been given the heads up about the Gold Coast Railway Tunnel. In Molondina it is. It's located in Molondina, if you want to check it out. It's quite nice, even though the graffiti's all around here. The graffiti sort of adds to it a little bit for some reason. Anyway, that's we've come out the other side now. Exiting the tunnel was a relief, but then there was all these strange messages left on trees everywhere. It was absolutely haunting.
Tunnels in the dark, watch you pull waves down. Tunnels twisted in your head, where the lights flash white and red. Build tunnels in your mind, while you try to find. Building tunnels in the dark, where we came to dance.
So it's the only bush I've been in that's covered in graffiti, so that's not a good sign. Anyway, let's march on to this hidden railway tunnel on the Gold Coast that no one knows about. At this point, I must admit, I was having a little bit of anxiety. I was worried my van was parked not far away and there was all this graffiti everywhere and looked like people couldn't help themselves. They were graffitiing anything that was standing, so I was a little bit worried about the van at that point. And at the back of my mind, I couldn't wait to get back to it just to check on it. Yeah, that's one of these things when you go to these places, you take a little bit of a risk. But it was nice, and I sort of advise you not to go on your own if you're going to go and check this out. Check it out with someone else, and if you feel a bit uneasy, because I did feel like people were watching me, yeah, just err on the side of caution. Just get out of there. If you don't feel you're getting the heebie-jeebies, just get out of the place. It is frequented by people that have different lifestyle choices. Obviously, might be young kids, but there's also looks like a satanic element there. So just be careful. If you got value out of this episode, please smash the like button. Subscribe too. We need more subscribers, and it helps the channel. It helps the channel get discovered. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was a little bit of a different angle on showing you an adventure. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was like a Harry Potter style adventure. Yeah,
gee,
it was great.
I could fly the drone through here. I think I will.
Let's walk through. There's no one here, I'm surprised. Look how many people have graffitied this. Okay.
Tunnels in the dark, what you build, where we
So returning to the van. Get a bit suspicious when I have all this graffiti around the joint. Let's hope everything's good. Oh man, that was a little bit of a hike up a hill just then. Oh, crashed the drone about 3 times into the tunnel. There's a big headwind in there. It swirls around. So yeah, bit of a challenge, but the drone survived. Home. Oh, I was going to say home sweet home then. Home sweet home. Great drink of water. Alright, so that was a well-deserved drink of water. Hope you enjoyed the tunnel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a likes up, subscribe, because I'm making heaps of content and it's a lot of work. If anyone knows anything about editing especially, it's a lot of work. So subscribe, hit the like button and share the video. Oh, maybe not this one because this one's a secret. Okay, maybe don't share this one. Alright, stay awesome and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.